guys know what this is? I'm not sure why, but places charge an absolute fortune to replace your cabin air filter. Do not pay hundreds of dollars to have this replaced. You can buy this on Amazon for about 50 bucks. And I'm gonna show you how to put it in. Watch this. Open your glove compartment. Look around inside. You're gonna find a little latch somewhere. See right here on the side? It just clicked. That's it. Whoops, this is my wife's view. Now, this is the door that holds the air filter in. There's a couple little clips. We're gonna open those, and then you're gonna be able to pull that old air filter out and put the new one in. Make sure you pay attention to which way it's in. I see little arrows pointing down. Oh, wow. Very dirty. Yuck, look at all that. Put my little door back on. Put my little arm back on. Just do it yourself. It's so easy. Done. I just changed your cabin air filter. You owe me $150. Look at how dirty it is.
Ooh.